Hello, welcome to Orchids 365. My name is Roxy. I wanted to start off with my new beautiful dendrobium. It's so blue. Orchid blue, that is. Cerulean. Dendrobium cerulean. I was told by Tan from Spring Water that I can totally pull this off. And you guys have known, if you've been following me for a while, that I love dendrobiums. And this one blooms in the fall and the winter. I have to wait to see all my other dens in the spring. So now in the winter, I have to hold off on the water and water it a lot in the summer. I think I can pull that off. And I'm going to show you the other two that I brought from Crowsmith as I walk along and show you my beautiful blooms. Such a delicate, beautiful flower. The tiniest orchid in my collection. Second tiniest, because I have that little deliciosa flower. But you guys, I've had this for a year. These are a little bit difficult to grow here. And I can't believe I pulled this off. They start off looking red and now it's like a fiery orange. And I'm obsessed with the cuteness and the perfection of this flower. Oh my goodness. I'll show you. Here's her tag. My little honeybee. Full bloom. Oh my goodness, when the light is hitting it just right. I need to put her in one of my baskets. Honeybee. Smells just sweet as very pink. They've been turning more yellow with time. And her neighbor over here is blooming again. My goodness. Whew. Isn't she stunning? Another deliciously fragrant beauty. God, I love her. It's the second time she blooms since I got her at the Redlands. It just doesn't want to zoom. It's Happy Smile. I notice I'm obsessed with anything Teslata. Out, still going somehow. See, crazy beautiful. These came back home with me from the show. This one is from Crowsmith. It's also called Mini Fox, for those of you that are obsessed with the Francis Fox like I am. Very similar, just a lot smaller in scale. Here's the name. And then this beauty is listed online as Cruella. She already bloomed. Look at that new growth. And the reason I leave them here on the table is to remember to put them in a more stable pot before I take them to the back. So it's a Tigrina Sandbar Giant cross with a Tenebrosa. Anything with Tenebrosa has my heart. So hopefully I'll do good with this one. So I'm gonna put her in something nice and sturdy. I'm gonna put her right in this one. Real pretty and hang her. It's very breezy today, so I put it here to remember where she goes, and then put this one here. I'm trying to figure out where to put her. I'm going to show you what I have blooming on the other side. I think I already shared these last time and I can't remember. You guys know the cotton candy. That one is blooming facing the street, so I have to step out to show you. And I think I showed you those last time as well, but I'm going to open the gate and show you something magical that I have. My sweet friend and subscriber Anna grew a pagoda tree from hers, and I planted it here, and you guys, it's in bloom. And this is just the most beautiful umbrella of flowers that I've ever seen in my life. Anna, I'm in love with this, and this is just a small plant. Imagine when it blooms multiple of these. I am obsessed with this, guys. I'm just gonna sit here and stare at it. Definitely added that poof that I wanted there in the back entrance. Thank you, Anna. I love it. And here she is on the other side of the fence, as I promised. So beautiful. Usually blooms in the spring a lot, but I got these two flowers and I'm not complaining, and it'll bloom all around. I mounted this many years ago, so I need to remove all that ugly tape because the roots are already secured, but I gotta get my ladder. So I'm gonna show you what I have up front. Here I have this mocara blooming, full bloom, and I have all of them blooming at the same time, but one is already on the way out by the time I got to record it, so I'm gonna show you those. This one has been there for some time. The dendrobium is on there real good already. Soon I'll remove the ties. The other two on the other palm were blooming as well. This one I didn't get to show it to you. It already is on its way out, but this one kind of bloomed at the same time that the other one did, and I love her because she's like strawberry red with freckles. I wanted to show you this before I forgot. These flowers are beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. The ones from my unboxing, they finished blooming and they're still opening and they look amazing. And I set them there in my tambor pot, so I'm gonna probably do a video showing you how I put them in there because they're very, very tall, and I feel like this would be the perfect pot for it. The one that caused sensation that I bought at the Ophé fair, I wanted to show you these new roots in my pot. Look at this. And a new growth, you guys. So I think I picked the right spot and the right pot. I look forward to many more blooms from this one. As far as the vandas, this one is starting to open today. And I have a spike over here and another spike. Yellow bird is probably one of my oldest bag babies, and it has not stopped blooming. I love how they look when they're opening. I love the purple. I love the purple, and how then you get the yellow with the freckles, and then it has not stopped. It has gotten so big. I had to clip these because they were falling down so that they wouldn't be. Here's another. It doesn't stop, and I love it. And there's another spike of buds here behind the one that's already outside. So the yellow bird is loving that spot and doing its thing. Another vanda spike over here, and my blue twinkle is spiking again. I'm so happy. And oh, Miss Laelia and Seps back there. I just discovered it. She's got a few buds again. Look at that flower, you guys. It's growing in my prototype tambor pot, and I think it's doing its thing. Wow, I love discovering blooms that I didn't even know were on their way as I'm recording. Gosh, that flower is perfection. And there's a button next to that one. There's two more buttons there, and I still have to cut. It didn't give me time to cut the old spikes, but wow. Go back there. Oh, wait a minute. This guy already opened up. But still got a few more to go. This one's on the way out already. Let's go back there. This beautiful dendrobium is blooming yet again. Antelope type, dark colors. Kind of tricky to record because of the shape of the flower, but I got them good there. It's a little bit breezy. Gosh, I love this. It always gives me such a prolific spike. These dendrobiums can be a little more finicky. They like to stay more dry in between waterings and stuff, but if you pot them up or mount them right, you are good to go. Wow. And I think, well, hi, Kalea. Good morning. I don't have any Kaleas to show you, Kalea. Hi, good morning. Hi. Look who came to say hello. Kalea. So, with this being said, thank you so much for joining me to begin this beautiful month of November. I'm looking forward to making some special announcements this month and just having a lovely month full of orchids and friends and adventures. And I cannot wait to get back on here. It'll probably be through a short that I'm gonna announce something this November, so stay tuned. Right, Julio and Kalea? Stay tuned for a very special announcement, a very special short celebrating my 1,000 subscribers, my 2-year company anniversary. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. This community is amazing. I look forward to continue meeting you guys and at shows and just building these beautiful friendships and these connections while we grow together. And most importantly, always stay safe, and please be kind. Happy growing. Catch you next time.